Living in the Appalachian Mountains, we always come across these big black ants. Now, these are black carpenter ants, which make their nests inside of wood by chewing tunnels throughout the wood, creating chambers to nest in and basically thrive. When you see carpenter ants in wood, you often know that trouble is around. These big black ants always attack softwoods. They make these chambered tunnels throughout, and basically they tear the wood up. They can destroy the trees, kill them eventually, because all the tunneling that they do throughout them is slowly decaying the wood, therefore creating further damage, injuring the tree, and creating a loss for structural strength. Now here we see that no matter what type of scenario you run into, you always see these ants here working, channeling out tunnels. There will be these little worker ants here, which are just basically black. And if you look at them up close, you can see their pinchers on their mouth where they chew. And there will be larger black ants that have wings, and those will actually be the queen. So here you can see there's a queen ant with the wings surrounded by numerous carpenter ants that are doing the job and creating a suitable home inside the softened woods. And here you can see, easily distinguishable, the queen ant from the worker ant. They are different sizes, and once again, the queens have those iconic wings. So they're very easy to distinguish, and when you begin to see them, you know that you really have a major infestation. So when you're sawing up your firewood around the homestead, if you see signs of carpenter ants within the wood as you are sawing it up, it is best to discard of that wood, because ultimately you do not want these ants to get inside of your home. It can create a major infestation, which can ultimately lead to severe structural damage to your home, because these ants love wood that is softened by moisture, has present signs of decay, or in scenarios where other insects have gotten into the wood and created openings for them. So always be alert and on the lookout for these invasive pests when you're out on the homestead, getting ready for the winter months, harvesting your firewood.